So you just found out you're pregnant and you're calculating how many weeks pregnant you are based on your due date. Well, you're in the right place. In this video, we will help you get an exact number of weeks pregnant that you are so you don't have to do any guesswork. Regardless of whether your due date was given to you by a healthcare professional or you calculated it yourself, it's important to understand how you can use it to figure out how many weeks pregnant you are. It's easy to understand this concept if you keep in mind that in most cases, a pregnancy will last for around 40 weeks or the course of 9 months. Generally, a pregnancy term begins numbered with week 1 at the beginning of the woman's last period. In order to figure out your exact week of development, you could take out a calendar and count the weeks backward from your due date. For example, if you're given an estimate due date of February 14th, take out a calendar and look back from that due date. The days February 1st and February 7th would both be week 3. The days of January 24th and January 31st would both be week 4, and so on. For an easier way to calculate your weeks of pregnancy, you could use online pregnancy calculators that are available for free. If you're looking for a more specific answer, however, it's best to go to a healthcare professional and get an ultrasound. An ultrasound can provide a much more exact answer to the question of how long am I pregnant. An ultrasound can be done as early as 5 weeks into a pregnancy and can get a better look at the development. Through an ultrasound, a doctor or other healthcare professional can provide you with an estimated gestational age, EGA. If you have already had an ultrasound, the exact measurement of your EGA should be listed in the results of your exam. Your EGA can give you an estimate of your gestational age until any further ultrasounds can be performed. Generally, ultrasounds given at least 20 weeks into the pregnancy will give a truly accurate measurement. If you are still worried about your EGA, there are other factors to consider in addition to an ultrasound. If you are talking to your doctor about your EGA, you may want to consider the results of any previous ultrasounds you may have had, your last menstrual period, any HCG levels that may have been tested from a blood draw, your baby's growth, and how you have been feeling. Doctors and healthcare professionals are a great source for any information regarding your pregnancy, so don't hesitate to ask them questions. But in the meantime, if you're looking for a general estimate of how many weeks pregnant you are based on your due date, a calendar and some basic calculations can help you get an idea. Figuring out how many weeks pregnant you are based on your due date doesn't have to be complicated. In this video, we took you step by step through understanding the concept, getting an exact number, and considering other factors to consider. Now you can have the information to accurately work out how many weeks pregnant you are. Thanks for watching this video. If you liked this video, don't forget to like, share it with your friends and family, and write your valuable comment about this video. Also, you can check out our latest videos.